There's the new upgrade, the Xtron's 12.3-inch Android 12 display for the 435i. Fits a bunch of BMW models, I'm sure. I also upgraded the climate control panel. You can find that on eBay. I also have a video on my YouTube for the installation of that. Trust me, you'll want to see it if you use that. But this thing is sweet, man. I mean, it's got all the stuff on there you could want. It's got a nice response. Good system, nice settings. I'm digging it, man. Lots of great stuff you can use. Lots of good options. It's pretty sweet. I'm just getting used to it, so I don't know everything about it yet. But I'm digging it, man. I can put all my apps on here. Pretty sweet. And I got the MHD JB4 tune, so I can get that all on here. It's nice. It's a nice setup, and it looks great. It makes the interior, you know, just look much more modern. If you do install this, one thing you're going to want to know, the passcode is 1314 for factory settings. So if you install this and it's flashing, you need to go into the settings option. Let me see here. The settings option. And then you need to go into factory. And then you do 1314, whoops, 1314, enter. Very hard for me to find that. Then you go into car display and you change your settings. This one's what works for me on my 2016 435i Grand Coupe. See there? But your setting will be different. There's lots of cool little settings, UI, and enjoy.